Friends, have you ever wanted a tool that doesn't just show you random TikTok data, but actually helps you understand what's trending and why? Well, there's a platform called FastMoss, built to make selling and creating on the app smarter and a lot more strategic. It's not just another analytics page, it's a full workspace for discovering winning products, analyzing creators, and tracking what's performing right now. I am Daniel, and today we're diving into how the platform helps you grow as a TikTok seller or creator using real data instead of guesswork. We'll explore how it finds trends and uncovers insights. Imagine it even helps you earn recurring income through its affiliate program. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Sounds good? Let's jump right in. FastMoss is an analytics platform built specifically for TikTok Shop. It helps both sellers and creators understand what's really happening on the platform. They can see which products are trending right now, who's driving sales, and how each item is performing in real time. Instead of spending hours scrolling through TikTok or trying to guess what might sell next, FastMoss gives you clear, actionable data that shows what's working and why. You can track market trends, discover high-performing products, and analyze creators' results all in one place. Folks, in short, it turns product research from a guessing game into a data-driven process, helping you make smarter, faster, and more confident business decisions. So let's take a closer look at how it works. Once you log into the system, you'll see the main dashboard, the starting point for everything. At first, folks, it might seem packed, but the layout is intuitive, and you'll quickly get the hang of it. The dashboard provides a clear snapshot of what's happening on the short video platform, displaying data that you can use immediately. Now I can log in and see what's performing well in seconds. In the product section, you can focus your search to match your goals. It helps you spot viral products, new launches, and fresh trends as they emerge. The data refreshes live, so you're always looking at what's current, not outdated results. As you scroll, you'll see a table that clearly shows how each product performs, perfect for identifying promising items early. You can also open the Top Selling tab to view current bestsellers across popular categories. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Next, let's look at the main features. FastMoss brings together everything you need to understand the marketplace in one place. It includes tools powered by AI that help analyze customer feedback and improve your video scripts based on what's trending. And now, one of the newest and most impressive additions. FastMoss just dropped an AI feature that literally breaks down viral videos for you. It analyzes the script, camera motion, and even gives your content an attractiveness score. You can also use it to generate viral-style ad scripts, whether emotional, funny, storytelling, or review-based, all's automatically structured for TikTok. Mates, if you want to clone viral content and make it your own, FastMoss does the hard work for you. Inside the product section, you'll find Moss Creator, which helps manage collaborations with TikTok partners, and YouFinds, a global platform connecting merchants with thousands of content creators. There's also a Chrome extension that gives you instant access to insights right from your browser. It's designed to save time and keep your workflow efficient. Friends, I personally use it and find it practical. It focuses on what matters most and keeps things simple. Now let's move on to the AI toolbox. The creator section is where you can discover which influencers are actually driving sales on the app. The advanced filters let you search by niche and audience details, focusing on real engagement instead of follower numbers. Once you run a search, FastMoss instantly shows you who's performing well, what kind of products they promote, and how much they've sold over the last 28 days. For example, a beauty influencer might have sold over 100,000 units in a month, and you'll see those numbers right there in the dashboard. Then there's the Voice of the Customer tool, one of my personal favorites. Guys, just paste any TikTok Shop product link and you'll instantly get insights from real reviews. The AI turns customer feedback into clear insights, helping you understand how people actually feel about the product. It's a brilliant way to improve your marketing and highlight the features buyers care about most. And finally, let's talk about the affiliate program, because FastMoss isn't just for data lovers. It's also a great way to earn recurring income. At the top of the page, click on Affiliate, and you'll see how you can become a global affiliate partner. It's completely free to join, with no hidden fees. You get 15 to 30% commission for every sale made through your link, plus recurring payouts each time a subscription renews. And your followers also get a 10% off discount when they sign up using your code, so it's a win-win. Friends, you can even use the built-in calculator to preview your earnings. For example, referring 40 users could bring in thousands in commissions. This sign-up form takes less than 2 minutes. Just fill in your basic information and submit the form. Applications are reviewed within 24 hours, and once approved, you'll receive your promo code and affiliate link. Guys, I'm personally part of this program. It's transparent, easy to start, and backed by a full support team. It's ideal for creators or marketers who want to turn their network into a new income stream while helping others discover valuable tools. So guys, to sum it up, FastMoss helps the marketplace sellers find trending products, analyze real performance data, and make better decisions faster. It's the most accurate and comprehensive TikTok analytics platform out there. Feel free to check out the links in the description below. You'll find my affiliate link, promo code, and your 10% off discount. You can also become an affiliate yourself and start earning commissions from day one. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Until next time.